Hello guys, welcome to this video from HP Tronics. Today we will have a look at N9 cooling stand from TeckNet. You can get this cooling stand from Amazon.in for $2,000. Cooling stand should be used by those who use their laptops or notebooks as a desktop or do heavy tasks on it, because of which it tends to get too hot. You just had a look at the not so interesting box in which this beast comes. So this is the cooling stand itself. Before that, let's have a look at the other box contents. You get a USB Type A to USB Type A cable which will be powering the stand, and these two foam pads. We will see what they are for in the later part of the video. Now let's have a look at the stand. At the front you have these control buttons and a LCD display. Power on of the stand with this power button, and control the speed of the fan from plus and minus. On the side you have two USB ports with USB pass-through. You will be utilizing one laptop's port to power the stand, so, to compensate that, you get an additional port where you can plug in your USB device, and that device will be indirectly connected to your laptop. At the back you have nothing, just a slit so that you can pull the upper part of the stand to use the laptop at an inclined position. And there is nothing on the last side too. At the bottom you can see that two large circular vents for the fans to pull in air. If you do not use the stand in inclined position, then these vents will rest close to the surface and will not be able to suck air in. To avoid this, there are two stands at the bottom which will lift the stand just a little. Pulling the stand's upper portion up makes a metal bar lock between 5 different notches, which give us 5 different levels of inclination, which you can use as per your need. You can power the stand from your laptop, but it's preferred if your laptop is not plugged in, then power it through a wall adapter, or a power bank. I will power up the stand using this power bank. Here that USB cable comes in. Just plug one end to power bank and other to the stand's any one USB port. The screen will light up, and you can see the current temperature on the screen. Pressing the power button once will turn the stand on in automatic mode, that is, it will control the fan speed as per the temperature. You can see the current fan speed, temperature, a fan graphic, and the word auto on the screen. Pressing the power button again will show a thumbs up and the stand will go into manual mode. Now you can use the plus and minus button to control the speed of the fan. The fan graphic will also change its speed accordingly. You get 9 speed levels. You can feel the cold air instantly pushed up by the two 130mm whisper fans. Press the power button again for the last time and the stand will go into standby mode, and just display the temperature. If in case we want to use the laptop at an inclined position, it will tend to slip. To avoid that, the stand has these two stoppers at front which can be pulled up. But you can see that these stands are much taller than the actual thickness of the laptop and will obstruct in between while typing, so, here those two foam pads come in. I searched all around the stand but couldn't find a place to put them, and even the instructions manual is also not telling anything about these. So, I use them here, put them behind the stand and rest the stopper against them. Sliding them closer to the stopper will raise it higher. So, you can adjust their height as per your laptop's thickness. You can see how those stoppers hold the laptop. Just pull up the upper half from behind and lock it in the first level. Let me show you from the sides. There is even cutouts from the sides so you can pick the stand easily. At the back you have that iron rod which is holding the stand. This is another reason this stand is better than others. This shaft locks into the 5 notches on each side, and gives you the choice of inclination you want to have. And this is how you can adjust the inclination. And here is a shot showing how those two small lifters keep the stand a bit off the surface. Here I am having a HP Pavilion, a 15.6-inch laptop, and you can see the stand is large enough to accommodate that from each side. Now let's power the stand from the laptop itself. As far as your laptop is fine, cooling pads are not meant to keep your laptops cool. That is just not possible from outside, as the processor will heat up under load but will not go up to high temperatures. Cooling pads will just increase the rate at which it dissipates that heat. And that will increase your laptop's performance and even increase the internal hardware's life. But if in case your laptop's fan is not working properly or because of any other reason it is getting too hot, then definitely cooling pad will help you a lot. That is all for this video guys, and I will see you next time.